All right, here's Miss Danielle. She has a 9 Ruger LCP, and she's getting ready to show you how to break it down. Okay, you push it back just slightly. Okay, you push, take the pin, slide in.
Okay, one more time. There we go.
Okay.
Nope.
Okay.
Not
And
bad.
you might have to. Okay. There you go.
Okay.
So push it in, push it down. There you go. Push it in. You have to slide back enough because I don't think you slide it back in.
No, I didn't. Right there. Right.
There you go. Push all the way down to the drop out. Dropped out. So you have to pull it. If you could pull it, then push this back some, and then pull it.
Oh, push this back some.
Yeah, and there you go. Pull it. Now go ahead, slide it out, turn it that way, and slide it forward. There you go. And she just broke it down. Okay. Take the spring loose. Take everything loose. Pull the spring out. Okay, put that side. Push that underneath, pull that up. Turn it over and just rock it out. That's how you take it apart. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show her how to clean it. These are the elements that you need to clean. You need your CLP, that's the best lubricant, and oil for the gun. Here's the gun scrubber. And then I suggest you get some Q-tips and a little toothbrush. These are the elements you need for the gun. We'll be right back.
Right back.
Did it stop? Nope, it didn't stop. Okay, now you need to put the gun back together. That's right. It's your gun.
It's done?
It's done.
Good?
It's
Okay.
done. So now you need to put together. What you put together first?
I gotta put this together first.
Yep, put that together first.
But this goes in. How did this go in? This way?
Mm-hmm.
And it just sits
Sit
there. And then this went in this way. So now this side.
You got it, but if I flipped over. No, flip this over. No, but this goes to the back.
So flip this
Yeah,
like this.
that's your retention spring. This goes here,
Oh, okay.
through that hole. Push it through the hole in the front. Look at the hole now. You gotta look at it.
Oh, this one.
And then push it forward. It should pop right in. Slip right there. You go. It's in. Now put this on top. Slide it like we did. Like you slid it out. Slide it right back. Okay. Pull the trigger. Okay. You gotta slide it back. That's good.
The pin is out.
Oh, the pin is out. You said. Okay, hold on. Okay, the pin is out. See it? Sticking out too far. So what you have to do is you have to do the same thing that we did before. Okay, how do we do that?
Is that the pin I just put in?
Okay. Yeah, that's the pin you just put in. So now we popped it back in. So the retention spring. So now put that pin in. So you got to push it down in again. It should slip right in. Push it all the way in. Is it in?
I think so.
There you go.
Oh,
Pull the
put it
trigger.
back
Okay. Pull it. Yeah, see the safety on. No safety on.
together.
Okay.
Push that in a little bit more.
Yeah, might need to push it in a little bit more. Because this is how you learn.
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure it's lined up.
Squeeze the trigger first. And then release it. Okay, good. Push it. There you go. So you might have to like push it back and forth and push down at the same time. Remember how we did it?
Push. Okay. So
Okay.
okay. There we
Now
go.
you probably
Now it's
locked it
easier.
off. Okay, go ahead.
I don't know what I just did, but it was easier.
All right. Now you need to pull the trigger. Pull the trigger to release it.
No?
Okay, you're doing it right. You should just there you go. You gotta pull the trigger. Remember, if
Pull
we
it all the way
said-
back.
Pull it all the way back till it clicks. See, you can see it jump. See?
Oh, yeah.
So pull the trigger after you get the pin out, and you pull the trigger. Pull the trigger all the way back, and then just slide it forward. Let the trigger go.
Oh,
Slide
pull
it
the
forward.
trigger, let the trigger go, slide it
Slide
forward.
it forward.
Okay.
And you broke it down. That out. That out. Okay. Put it back together.
Okay. I can remember.
Okay.
The hole.
Similar thing had come up 8 years ago in town called Indian Falls. I stayed there only.
Is that-
Is it? I don't know why I want to feel something click.
Click.
I don't know.
You didn't hear it click?
No.
Take it out
And
and listen.
the cost of a very handsome ring that don't belong to my mother.
No.
You hear it click?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it on. Where's your pen at?
Hmm?
Where's the pen? Okay.
Okay.
Make sure you don't lose that.
Yeah.
If you lose that, the gun no good. I would throw it away.
Throw it away.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Is it going all the way? Is it sliding back? You might have to pull the trigger, remember? Pull the trigger.